Hello, I'm Dr. Priscilla of Speak Excellent English. Welcome to this 2 minutes of essential English. Today's focus is the idiom, the ball is in your court. It means that the next move or decision is up to you. The phrase comes from sports, particularly tennis. When the ball is in your court, it's your turn to take action. It's your opportunity to make a decision. You have the power to influence the outcome. The responsibility lies with you now. The phrase suggests that you have control over the situation. You also are the one who needs to act. Whether it's making a choice or responding to a situation, the ball is in your court. It's your move. This idiom emphasizes the idea of taking ownership and being proactive. Don't wait for someone else to make a decision. By acknowledging that the ball is in your court, you're accepting the challenge and the opportunity at hand. It's a reminder that you have the power to shape the outcome. So, what will you do next? If you enjoyed this 2 minutes of essential English, be sure to subscribe and like the video.